That would take forever. You're gonna go through a whole lighter. Jake, don't.
Oh, or you just hit one.
Invisible flame.
Oh, yeah, you can.
This is how you let it kick.
Oh!
Oh crap.
This is awesome!
Good
This
redneck.
is awesome!
Shut the window.
I did. Amanda, shut that window.
Oh, gosh, it's fucking.
Don't hit the. Don't.
Oh my gosh.
Stop laughing like that.
This is where we're gonna have trouble. We pushed him in the ground.
You missed one there.
The ones next to it will light them.
Wait, no!
God.
Oh my god.
This is not good.
This is.
Turn the candles off. Stop.
There's gonna be so much wax on
Okay,
top.
okay, let's stop with the blowtorch and light them normally.
Yeah,
No.
that might be a good idea here soon.
Dad.
I think you're running out.
Oh,
It's dripping everywhere.
Dad.
No.
Come on. We're almost done. Just a little bit more faith.
I have it.
You got some on the backside.
Yeah, well, not Loki's. I'll get them. You stop. Oh, dang it.
There we go.
Okay.
Is that all of them?
No, there's one more. There's one more.
Where?
It's okay.
Hold
Get
on.
Right
it.
there.
We're
Right
getting
there.
it. I'm getting
Right there.
I got 89 of them.
Oh God.
We got
90,
tomorrow.
90.
Oh my gosh.
This is hard. You guys start singing.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
All right, see if you can blow it out.
She might start on fire.
There's a few trick candles in there, by the way.
Okay already.
Oh my gosh.
There's so much wax. Look at all the wax. It's a pool.
There was a design on there. I don't know.
Dad, look at the wax.
Dad, look at the wax.
Look at